It's a hot new item in the auto detailing industry, the Quadrant Wipe Microfiber Coating Application Towel from Autofiber. Great brand, and I am so excited to try these out today. I've done a two-step polish on a very, very, very hammered Camaro. Link to that video right here, because it was a tar removal nightmare. We're really excited now, we being Nick. Nick is excited. I don't know. This is the awesome towel. And the idea is you know which side you've used. So this is going to be a quick review. But basically, you take side one, right? Then you know you've wiped with that. I can see some polish residue right there. So I'm really glad I sat here. Boom. You take side one. And then you flip it to side two. So you've got a clean surface here. And you flip it. I'm going to use it to apply a couple layers of coating here for Ceramic Pro. I'm going to see how it fares and give you guys an honest review. Ceramic Pro recommends the hybrid damp towel method that does involve using a damp towel. I just cleaned this out with Super Clean, then Ceramic Pro Cleaner or your favorite IPA wipe, whatever, and now I'm using distilled water. I think it's really easy to take shortcuts. And it's important when you're doing this step that you just do it right. This is the wrapping Autofiber Quadrant Wipe Microfiber Coating Application Towel. Premium ultrafine yarn, printed with numbers 1 through 8 so that you can keep track of each side used for coating leveling. The low pile and delicate yarn are great for leveling coatings, removing polish residue for when you want to make sure you are not reintroducing defects into the paint. So just reading that makes me excited. It just makes sense to me. It seems like this could be one of those ideas that changes an industry, but maybe not. Maybe I'm overdoing it. So that's going to be my damp towel method for the coating. I'm going to get everything else set up and get started. All right, time to coat. The way Ceramic Pro recommends is a blue applicator pad like so. So, Ceramic Pro 9H, if you use too much of it, I had one person who had interacted with the product as an installer say it kind of felt like putting peanut butter on the paint. It goes on really thick, and as far as I can understand it, it fills up as much of the pores as it's going to do in that first coat, and then whatever is left over, you simply want to wipe off, which sounds pretty simple. So I'm going to start with Autofiber's new towel on one, and immediately I am feeling how grabby it is. Now I've applied OptiCoat. I'm an installer for OptiCoat as well, and their coatings are so easy to apply that their pearl weave seems a lot like this one. This would be perfect for. And I'm switching the side to side number 2, and do you see the way the towel is just not wanting to work with me? Trust me, I'm not giving up yet. This is just the beginning. So you start with your first dry towel pass, and the idea there, get as much as you can, and then don't try to have your damp towel do all the work for you. Just kind of where it needs to be is where you want to kind of run it over the paint. I feel like I try to get it over every surface, and where it grabs it, the paint might be telling me something. But if you notice everything I'm doing with this towel, and they say do really small little circular wipes that are super fast and not any pressure at all to remove the Ceramic Pro. But I'm just starting to get a little desperate. You kind of see how I'm driving it into the paint there. It's just not really working for me. Ceramic Pro recommends the pink towel method, which Ian from Autofiber actually gave me a super plush. I don't know what the GSM was. You'll see it later in the video, but it's a green GSM Korean towel, and that worked out amazingly. So I'm getting up. I'm gonna maybe grab another dry towel after you do the damp towel, and you can flip over to dry. But I can already see it in my body language. The towel makes a ton of sense, and I use it for the panel. I mean, I'm not giving up yet. I'm not gonna give up yet, but I just have the sense of like, this isn't as good as I wanted it to be. Now, Ian's awesome, Autofiber's awesome, and check out this green Korean. Once I started using this, it glided over the paint. I was getting high spots. It was awesome. For Ceramic Pro, they recommend pleasure towels. I kind of prefer these. Where do I see these having a place? Well, I think they'd be great for polish removal. I like how grabby they are.
they're not cooperating with Ceramic Pro. For whatever it's worth. Otherwise, I think they're great. My Autofiber's great. These towels are amazing, Ian. Thank you, sir. Appreciate the concept. I hope a lot of guys use it. But for Ceramic Pro, it's just not meant to be.